Alright, so you haven't seen the house lately, so here's the nice entertainment center. All nice and cleaned. Little domino. This is my office area, where I sit all day. Nice pretty little plants. And lights out there at night. And I'll have another one over there in the corner, and I'll have something over on top of that to hold the printer. So then the kitchen is all done. I know you've seen the granite before, but with all the backsplash and all the black cabinets and double ovens. With a nice stainless steel and all the nice lighting. And that's still, we just brushed up so it's nice, a little bit more of a gloss. And then this is the bedroom. It's all cleaned up, nice and organized. And here is the bathroom. Little dual shower heads, nice new lighting and everything. And this one has more of a blue theme to it. And then just the regular guest room.